To customize the lock screen clock on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings, then we need to choose Personalization, and then we can tap on our lock screen over here. Now, first, of course, over here I have the default lock screen set up as well, but in general, before you actually start customizing it, you can choose one of the different presets, because as you can see, we can use one of many different clock styles. So as you can see here, we have it on the right side here, now here is on the left. So make sure to go through these options in order to find the ideal clock that you wish to use. Bunch of different options over here, as you can see, and they can still be customized. I'm gonna stick with the default one for now, so I'm gonna press customize. Now we can tap on this field in order to be able to tap on the clock, and we can change the font of the clock as well as the date, of course. We can choose to, for example, show the whole digital hour time here, or we can just choose to show hours and minutes, and then of course we can separate it and add hours or minutes below. So it can be something like this, for example, of course. Now, besides that, we can just clear the second line and the third line as well. And we can add additional information here, but that is essentially it in terms of the clock. However, well, of course, we can still change the color, for example. So if you go to font effects, then you can choose one of these colors. So first we have the primary color, and we can choose to be solid, blend, or overlap. And as you can see, it has different effects. So for example, I'm gonna choose this green one, and then we can also choose a secondary, so we can have two colors at once. So we can create probably some fun color patterns here. And that is essentially it. Once you are done with the changes, simply press apply here in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!